This hat is getting way too small because of all the times I've worn it in the rain. I can like feel it. I am currently in the I am currently in the middle of cleaning up this tack room. It is very messy. We just threw a lot of junk in here over the winter, and plus a lot of our plant stuff, and there's a box that like completely fumbled on me as I was carrying it that I have not cleaned up that mess since then. So that's what I'm tackling right now. Just more spring cleaning, and the dogs are over there playing. Nah, they just left me. But yeah, it's quite a disaster in here. So I just made a nice batch of iced coffee. My first time making it, so it's not so bad. I think I need to dilute it more with a little bit more water next time. You hear them in the background? Other than that, it's good. Shepherds are so loud. Like, please, dude, you're being extra. First, since I have to sweep everything pretty much out of here, I'm just going to start in the back and work my way to the front, so I'm not like sweeping over what I just cleaned. So it makes sense to start from the back and work my way out. super clean, besides that little thing. And that came out of nowhere because I just cleaned over there. So, yeah. I just have this to do around there, this table, and that shelf of disasters. Tidy in here. As tidy as it can be for a horse tack room. So, yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. Now I just have to organize that and pretty much throw away all those products because I want to get everything as natural as I can for the animals. So I'm definitely going to be tossing a lot of that stuff. And a lot of that stuff is probably old anyway, so yeah.